Hello everybody, welcome back, C-Ray Tech here. So in today's video I'm excited to announce I have a new product that I am putting out onto my blog, and it is available. I've got everything done, listing's good, and let's check it out. So I have been in Fusion 360 and I have been busting butt, learning design and then 3D printing like crazy, and I came up with these. This is the Taranis QX7 color pack. So with the color pack you get TPU sleeves for all your switches, your knob, the end of your gimbals, and you can customize these in a bunch of different colors. Currently I have red, really cool orange color, blue, black, let me find, give me 2 seconds. To dig through my demo pile so I can pull out some of the other colors. So we've got some purple, really cool purple color. We've got an emerald green that I'm printing out. These are just all the prototypes from the first run. But yeah, so I'll have these on my store. I'm charging $6.50 plus shipping. Unfortunately, looks like about a month ago or so, shipping rates went up. They used to only be $3, now it's $3.50. So $6.50 for the pack, $3.50 to ship. It's not too bad, $10 out the door. If you guys are interested in these, I'll have a link in the description. I will also be including free stickers with your order. Very excited about that. So I think it's going to be all for me today. There's not really much to go into with these. It's pretty simple. You slide them over your switches and your gimbal sticks and knobs and you got yourself a cool customized Taranis. I'm also currently working on the same packs for the Devo 7E right now. Unfortunately, I'm really only able to design these for the transmitters that I currently have, and if anybody that I know close has one, I can work on that. But from what I've noticed, it looks like a lot of the switches are about the same. So if you guys are interested in having a color pack designed specifically for your transmitter, all I need is some basic dimensions. So I will need to know how many switches you have, knobs, and obviously there's only going to be 2 gimbals, but once I have that information, that'll be helpful. Then I'll need some pictures, and then if you could give me some basic measurements of the length of the switch, width of the switch, and then I would like the same for the gimbal sticks. If I have that information, I'll be able to start roughly designing them. If you have calipers, holy moly, that would be great. If not, I can go as close as possible. Another thing that I'm currently trying to do is source a majority of the true dimensions, so that way I can expand these past the QX7 and Devo. I believe that the QX7 pack will work with the other Taranis. I know the switches are the same size. I just don't remember how many switches are on it. So I'll look that up and see if I can't get some packs created for that. But that's going to be all for me today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And then, like I said, if you're interested, go ahead and check out craytechblog.com/shop. And I'll have these color packs in there along with my gimbal protectors. You can pick up the boss frames there. I've got custom gimbal protectors, which are pretty cool. A good buddy of mine, I just sent out a set to him and they turned out fantastic. I've got them in a bunch of different materials. You can get them in PLA, TPU, ABS, PTG, and I think that's it right now. But yeah, check out my store. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any questions, definitely feel free to ask. And as always, fly safe, fly often.